So in previous class, we learned like we saw the curriculum and what is digital marketing, right? So today we'll be learn the difference between the digital marketing and the traditional marketing and what is the process of digital marketing. That two topics we'll learn today. Okay. Okay. Is my screen visible to you, to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So can anyone tell me like what is the difference between digital marketing and the traditional marketing? As I have already asked this question in last class too, but it's for the remember.
Digital marketing is online, traditional marketing is offline. Okay.
Yeah.
And with traditional marketing, we'll give ads, newspaper,
Mm-hmm.
fine. And
Yes.
online, we use Google, Instagram, email marketing, websites, so everything.
Yes, that's very good. So we'll learn like what is the process or what we do in digital marketing and traditional marketing. What is the main difference between them? Okay. So digital marketing, as Yuvraj said, it is based on the online platform, and traditional marketing it based on the newspaper, TV ads, or magazine. Print media includes posters, banners, hoardings. So those are all come under the traditional marketing. So these are the two broad categories of marketing strategies. Someone they totally rely on traditional marketing, and who have their business online, they totally rely on the digital marketing platforms or the channels, right? So there are different keys between digital marketing and the traditional marketing. We'll just go through that one by one. So first comes under the channel of the communication. As digital marketing use the online channels and platforms such as website, social media channels, email marketing we use for marketing or retargeting, or to connect with our audience, or to share our upcoming information or details about my offers or everything through email marketing. Search engine, basically we use Google or Bing to promote my products and the services. If someone looking for a particular service and they are able to see my website on the Google search engine, right? There are mobile apps which we use for promoting our apps. If we have a e-commerce platform, or we have also already always or created apps for that particular shopping apps or other apps, like some of the educational apps, we also create that. So it all come under the digital marketing, which is handled via online without with internet, right? Then traditional marketing, it totally relies on the offline channels, as television. If we want to run any ads or we want to showcase our products, right, related to fashion or any product, I would say I can use the television or radio and print media. As like newspaper, I can give ads to print on newspaper to the newspaper channels, right? It can be the Hindustan Times or other newspapers, right? We can also show our ads on magazines. So outdoor advertisement, we can, like, you have seen most of the hoardings or banners whenever you visit any of the mall. You have seen like the big banners standing, like hoardings and everything, right? So generally they are promoting their products which is highlighted, or which they want to sell this month or this year. So they highlight their products on the hoardings or the billboards, right? And there is one more thing, like the pamphlets we share. uh, it's not like it is working, but it's not that work in these days, because most of the audience is on their social media channels or online. That's why. So these are the channel of communication which we use. Let's talk about reach and the targeting. So in digital marketing, we can reach to our targeted audience according to their demographics, according to their interest, behavior, and other factors. So in digital marketing, we allow, or I have allowance to reach on the global target and reach at a real time engagement. So if you are sitting on America or Canada or any country, if I have my cell phone and Instagram or LinkedIn or any channels or anything, so I can directly contact with you. Either WhatsApp I can use or either social media I can use to reach to my targeted audience, right? In If I'm promoting my business on Instagram, right? So I have posted some videos related to my products or services to promote, basically, right? So if someone saw from other countries, so they can directly message me on my Instagram DMs, right? If I have provided the number, they can also directly contact us with that proper number, right? So we basically focus on the demographics or interest. Demographics is mainly if I want to promote fashion business to my customers. So I'll be focusing on a particular age group, right? If I'm into fashion business with the women's clothing, right? So I would target above 18 to up to 50 or 60. It totally depends on the targeted your products, right? So then I can target that on a real time basis, or I can see the interest of that particular person, or see women's interest if they are into jewelry section more, or fashion categories like jeans, t-shirts, hoodies, or saris. So I can target according to the interest of the person, right? Then in traditional marketing we have a broader reach, but it totally take a time to target a particular customer, right? If I am running a showroom, right? So I have to give a single person minimum 10 to 15 minutes to showcase them the product and to tell them the benefits of my products. But in digital marketing, we generally upload a video, and all the benefits and all the products details we added on that particular video. But if I have the traditional business or like a physical location of my business, so I have to showcase the each products to a individual customer. So that will take a lot more time to give details to my customer. So most of the businesses switching to the digital marketing or online. That's why it's really trending in these days, right? Targeting is often based on the demographics, generally, like, right? So if I went to the H&M showroom or H&M or pantaloons, so I'll see the products by myself, and I'll choose the product and I get it through the checkout counter, right? But in digital marketing, it's not work like that. It's totally based on the online. Nobody is forcing you, or nobody is telling you to buy this product or something like that, right? So generally we most of the user or business person, they totally follow the traditional marketing, but it totally depends on the mouth brand awareness, like how their brand awareness is working on traditional marketing or not, right? Reach and targeting are the same, but totally different on digital marketing and the traditional marketing. In traditional marketing, we can only assume if we can only make the assumptions if I'm telling the products benefits to a person, if they really like or not, or they are really interested or not, they are just listening. So that is all we can do the assumptions. Then cost effective. So which one is the most cost effective in digital marketing and the traditional marketing? So traditional marketing can be more effective, especially for small businesses, right? So who have just started their business. So they can run a particular campaign for a specific budget, and they can use a particular digital marketing tools for getting a proper return on investment through the analytics. So if I want to showcase my products, let's suppose I have five products related to the women's fashion, right? So I can run a particular campaign on Facebook or Instagram. So if someone like the products, they'll definitely buy that, right? But I'm using a particular budget for that. If I want to run a campaign for a week, so I'll see how it is working, right? How many sales I have done in a 1 or 2 or 3 days. So I'll check on that on a daily basis, right? But in traditional marketing, it is more expensive because we are using large scale campaigns on television or print media. Because if I want to run an ad for my products, so I'll have to give some amount to the print media. Either it can be the newspaper or the magazine, or if I want to run on television, especially, they will take a huge amount to run your ads or run your proper product promotion, to do product promotion on TV channels. So, in traditional marketing, measurement of ROI, which is the return on investment, it can be more challenging compared to the digital marketing, because we are seeing analytics on digital marketing through the tools, but in traditional marketing, we don't have any tool to check the return on investment. So, we'll have to do it manually. So, that will take a lot more time in traditional marketing, and the most of the money it will wasted or invested in digital marketing. But in digital marketing, if I invested out of 1 lakh 5 to 10,000 within a month, so that will be very helpful for me, because in digital marketing I am reaching to the up to a huge level of audience, but in traditional marketing it is less audience, right? So that will be very cost effective. Digital marketing will work very effectively in compared to the traditional marketing, right? The interactivity and the engagement. So, digital marketing allows you for a real time interaction with the audience. It can be the comments, shares, likes, and the direct messages. So, if you have run a campaign on Instagram or other channels, so customers can directly message you or call you with the given number, right? They can interact with you, or you can also interact with them with the you can add poll or quizzes, or you can do the live videos from Instagram channels, right? It is also available on the YouTube also. So you can do that in digital marketing. So interactivity is very easy in digital marketing, and that is real time. At a time you can connect with the audience. But in traditional marketing, it generally lacks direct interactivity, because once we have run the campaign or everything, so we'll not be able to interact with each of the person at a time, right? So engagement is limited to one way communication. If I have the showroom, I can directly communicate with my customers, but if I have run a particular campaign, so I'll not be able to connect with them. But I have provided the number, so they can directly call on that number by like seeing the ads on the print media. It can be the newspaper or the television, right? So with the audience passively receiving the message, because we will not receive the message through the campaigns on traditional marketing, right? Is there any confusion? Anyone? Sorry. I think your network is not working. Any other, please? I think Yuvraj network is not working. or he is out of service. Okay. Then come to the measurability and the analytics. So digital marketing provide you the detailed analytics and metrics, allowing the marketers to track the performance of their campaigns in a real time with the traffic, whatever the traffic they got in their website, the conversion rates or click through rates, and more. They can directly see on the Google Analytics or the uh, tools which have like Google or Instagram, Facebook, they have provided, right? But in traditional marketing, measurement can be more challenging because the result of traditional marketing is harder to quantify accurately, because I'll not be able to quantify the result in traditional marketing, because the marketers who they really rely on the surveys and the focus groups or the estimates based on the circulation number. So if I'm running a cell phone business, right? If I'm into a Oppo or Vivo or Samsung company cell phones business, so I'll have to see ki how many distribution done by from my end. Wait a second. Yes. Okay. So in traditional marketing, measurement is really challenging for marketers to totally based on the relies on mainly on the surveys or the focus group or the estimated circulation number, right? How many circulation my team or my production have done till now. So I'll have to check on that particular basis. But in digital marketing, I can check the analytics or the metrics, whatever the campaign I have run and what is how it is performing on digital marketing platforms. Either it is increasing the website traffic or I'm getting the a lot more return on investment or conversion rate. So I can check it through the tools, right? Then flexibility and agility, like which is more flexible. Digital marketing offers the ability to make real-time adjustment to the campaigns. If I have run a campaign for my shoes brand, right? And it's especially women's shoes. So I have created a proper video or reel related to that, and change targeting parameters and optimize based on the immediate feedback. So if I want to change the number or add other products as well, so I can make a change in a real time base. I can edit my ad, or I can re recreate the campaigns and add another ad for that, right? But in traditional marketing, once I have done with the recordings or everything, so the your ads or your campaigns will not be able to change it off if there is any differences, or you need to make any difference in that, so it will not be able to possible, because that's already run through the print media or television, right? So changes are typically more difficult to implement once a campaign is underway. So that is the big issue comes in traditional marketing. But digital marketing, it makes easier to do changes in a time without thinking a second time, right? Then longevity of messages can be easily edited or removed in digital marketing. If I got a bad comment or bad reviews, so I can delete it from my end through, if Google reviews or other comments, I can directly edited or deleted from my end, from the admin end, right? Changes is very quickly. But in traditional marketing, once an advertisement is printed or aired, so changes are totally difficult to make a change in that particular campaign. If the word is wrong or the details are wrong, so that will be a fixed lifespan message for the user that this company provide this, or any misconception or misinformation can lead to a bad brand awareness impact, right? So these are all about like traditional bit difference between digital marketing and the traditional marketing. Just a second. Screen is not visible.
Yeah, visible.
It's visible now, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay. Maybe your network is not working properly. That's why you are not able to see that.
No, I have texted earlier.
Yeah, I saw that because it was on the full screen, so the messages were not coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's move to the what is the process of digital marketing. Okay. So digital marketing, it involves a proper series or strategies or steps and proper activities to promote your products and the services using online channels or the platforms. Online channels, it can be the website, and platforms, it can be the social media or search engine or other platforms, right? So what it typically includes, what are the key steps we should follow whenever we are doing digital marketing or we switch to the digital marketing, right? First, we have to define our object, like what is our marketing goal. If I'm into e-commerce business, if I'm into service business, I'm providing services like SEO services or digital marketing services or other services, website designing and other services. If I am into services like courses or education, if I'm providing colleges or courses details or courses, different IT professional courses, so I'll have to define what is my proper or marketing goal, like in which market I am targeting, and what products I am promoting, or in which field or category I am in. So I'll have to define that first. Then it also include your it will increase your brand awareness first, right? If you have your brand like Amazon, Flipkart, or any other brand, right, you will have to do the brand awareness for that particular brand. And from that, you can also drive website traffic, and you can generate leads. If you are into other e-commerce or any service business, so you'll have to focus on the sales too, how many sales you have done, or how many projects you have got. If you are into digital marketing services, if you are providing digital marketing services to the company and you have taken a project, so how many sales you have done through that, so you'll have to see that. And you'll have to always engage with your audience on social media on or on search engine also, right? First is to define your object, then understand your target. If you are into education business or e-commerce business or service business, let's suppose you are into education business. So once who have done 12th, right, after that they'll be looking for the college, so you'll have to see how many uh, students you can target or how many schools you can target. So then you can give the proper information about the college, and you can collaborate with the colleges, and they will provide you the some of the commissions if they get a proper uh, what I would say, enrollment or enrollment in colleges. So they'll give you some part of commissions, right? So if I'm into service business, let's suppose I'm into providing digital marketing services to the companies. So I'll have to target the small businesses or companies who can like really looking for digital marketing services, right? Wait a second. Yes. Okay. So targeted audience is totally based on your business category, right? It can be any of the business, like you are into fashion business, so you'll basically target the categories. It can be the women, men, or kids wear, right? So that will be totally based on your targeted audience. So understand your demographics, targeted audience demographics, what are their interests and what is their online behavior. So whenever we go to the Instagram scrolls or Facebook scroll, so we directly see the products, right? In Instagram also we saw a particular ad from Myntra or Amazon.com, so we directly click onto that. So what Google or Instagram they do, they track your behavior, like what is your interest. If you are seeing sunglasses or iPhone or whatever the categories you are looking for, or you go to click onto that link, so that will record your behavior or interest. So according to that, next time they totally show that brands ads to you repeatedly. You have seen it, right? It also happened on the Google. If you visited any of the website and you went in that website for 1 or 2 minutes, so they try to re-show you the audience or re-show you the targeted ads, right? So it totally they track your behavior or interest. So we should also focus on that. If a user are looking for your information or looking for a particular services which you are providing, so it will help you to create your content according to that, and you it will really help you to create ads related to that, right? But it totally based on your audience, what they are likely to see, the products or the services, right? Then after that we can create a digital marketing plan. Just wait a second. Wait a second, I'll just reshare my screen. Is there any doubt till then? You can ask. Just wait a minute. No doubts.
No.
Okay, what about others? Is there any confusion? You can ask. I'll re-explain that topic. Okay, no. Okay. So to create a proper digital marketing plan, we'll have to focus on the few steps, right? To create a comprehensive digital marketing plan that outlines our what strategies and the tactics we'll use to promoting my products or to increase my brand awareness. So first we'll do the content marketing, right? uh, I have the business for providing digital marketing services, right? So I'll have to focus on the content marketing, like which industry I'll target, right? It can be the education industry I'll target. It can be the services which they are providing. Like let's suppose they are into thesis writing, or they are into colleges. You have seen college Deco, or other universities or other website. So I'll totally target those of the audience, right? Or the proper businesses which will give me the projects, and I can work on that. So content marketing is totally based on your whatever the services you are providing. You will have to create a proper content. It can be the video, or it can be the poster, or it can be the infographics, right? Okay. So, content marketing, we properly focus on whatever the products or services we are into. So, we'll create video or content according to that. Content marketing includes different categories. I can either it can be the blog submission, or doing social bookmarking, or articles writing, right? So, there are different form of content marketing. Then we can focus on the social media marketing, right? If I have created a reel related to my products or services, so I'll focus on social media marketing to promote my that particular video on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So basically these channels I'll totally focusing on social media marketing. Then search engine optimization, right? So like if I have a proper website, or I have to create a proper website, if I want to go totally digital, so I'll have to create a website first. Then I can focus on the search engine optimization. Once I have done with the website creation, done with all the on page optimization, then I can focus on the search engine optimization to promote my products and services with related keywords, right? So if someone searching for digital marketing course or digital marketing services, if I'm providing that, so I'll make sure to promote my products or product promote my website on search engine, so that user will easily find my website whenever they are searching for a particular keyword, right? Okay. Then search engine, there are like different forms. There are three or four types of search SEO: on page, off page, technical, and the local SEO. So on page is basically focusing on website content, website pages or website service pages, right? Off page, we basically focus on the outside the website. We'll focus on promoting our services once we done our creating our service pages or service list, right? Then technical SEO, we'll see what are the technical errors presented in my website. Either it can be the URL is not working, or the page we have created, we didn't add any content in that page. So I'll totally focus on that part too. Then local SEO, locally, if a user are searching for my products or for any information or services, so I'll always focus on the local SEO part too. If I'll explain you the local SEO, you went to the Google and you are in a proper new place, so you will see the cafes or hotels or any details, like to get into the proper location if I'm missed somewhere. So I'll go to the Google and search for this. Ki I'm looking for cafe near Delhi or Gurgaon or nearby me. So they will give you the lot of places or details. You have seen, if I'll show you. Let's suppose I'm in Delhi right now. So I'll search for cafes near me. So it will fetch my location first and it will show me the places according to that. So I can also work on this. It is showing for the sector 9, but I'm not in sector 9, Gurgaon right now. But whatever the places, if you have a user proper location, so they'll give you the places or the locations, right? So it also happen with if I'm not looking for the cafes, if I want to search for the online courses or particular courses location, right? Data analytics course near me, if I'll search, so it will give me the institute near me. So there are different search results whenever we search any term we get. Sponsored is basically the paid results, right? The Google Ads result. Then it come under the then businesses, whatever the businesses presented nearby your location. In whichever the location you are, it provide you the places. Then it is the organic result. First is the paid, then sometimes it shows you the businesses too, and third is the organic result. So organic result is my SEO work, that I have done a proper good SEO in my website, on website and off page, both I have done very good. That's why it is showing on the first rank, right? First number. Then sponsored result, it's fluctuate within a time. If Google got a lot more money from a different website or different businesses, they'll show their ad on the first, second, third number, right? So sponsored results is basically the ads. If someone click onto their this ad, So some of the amount, it can be the 50 rupees or 100 rupees, that will be deducted from the TCA company, which they have run a ad from this company, right? Whenever I'll click onto that, it will deduct some amount from their account, right? Google Ads account. This is the sponsored result. So if I don't want to run any Google Ads, so I'll basically focus on the SEO part, right? Just look data analytics course. Let's suppose I'll not search the near me, I'll search the digital marketing data analytics course. So here you can see TCA is come under the second number. First, it is XLR, right? They also providing 100% placement assistance, right? If I'll research it, that will also fluctuate. See, sponsored result. First one is come the DGACA, and because TCA, this is showing continuously because I have clicked onto their ad. That's why it is showing continuously. If I haven't clicked on any of the ad, they will not provide me the sponsored result next time. They'll just remove it because I'm not interested in that result anymore, right? If I'll click onto the organic result, so any of the amount that will not be deducted from the this company's account because that is the organic result, which means that user came to your website via searching their keyword, proper keyword, right? Is there any confusion? Anyone?
No.
Okay. What about Mills and Usha?
Yeah, understood, ma'am.
Okay. Mm, very good. Like if you're stuck somewhere, just stop me there and you can ask to re like repeat again, right? Then SEO, search engine optimization. We basically promote my products and services on the search engines, basically on Google, right? Then email marketing, I can send targeted emails to my targeted user. If I have a data of my existing user, so I can send them a re, uh, emails related to my upcoming services or the products, right? You have seen like a lot of promotions email if you have subscribed any of the email or any of the other companies. Let's suppose I want to shop at Amazon or flipkart.com, so we do subscribe that proper email, right? So that if they are running any special offers or occasional offers or Christmas offer, Diwali offer, so they can directly mail to me that these are the products we are we added on our sale, or you can get this product in this price. So these all details I get it through the email marketing if I have subscribed to their proper newsletter or other details to get proper up to date information, right? Then paid advertisement are like social media marketing also and Google Ads. So that also we can focus on. But totally, if I am don't want to like invest any amount in advertisement or ads, so I can mainly focus on the search engine, SEO, content marketing or social media, organic result, not to involved into the paid advertisement. But if you want instant result or leads, you can focus on the advertisement. Through that, you get an instant result. But if we are focusing on the SEO, so that will take a little bit time of like 3 to 4 months to come up your service pages or your website on Google search results. It can be the first rank or it can be the top 10 results. But SEO is to wait for few times and choose a particular good combination keywords to come your website on the first pages. Then it is about digital marketing plan. Then what we can do, we can build or optimize our online presence through website. How that your website is like mobile friendly. If most of the user what they do, they see the website address or open their website on the mobile phones because that are handy, right? That are easy for them to access website on the mobile phones. Everybody don't have a laptop all the time, so they easily access on the mobile phones. So your website should be the mobile responsive or user friendly that they can directly open your website on the mobile devices, right? And we should also optimize our website for search engine, right? I should make sure that if I'm using or I'm developing or creating or providing the services, these are the services, and that should be also optimized for the search engine, right? Search engine is like Google. If any user searching the product or related keywords to get the information, so I can also make sure that search engine will show my business or website on that search results, right? Then I can also establish a proper presence on social media platforms, right? After a time, you can do the posting like after 100 followers, or you can increase your followers through social media platforms. So for that, you will have to make posters or videos or upload those on a daily basis or a weekly basis. Consistency is very needed while you are focusing on the online channel. If you have done social media marketing for a week and you vanish for a month, so that all your brand awareness it will decrease, right? So consistency is very crucial to focusing on the online brands or the online channels, right? Then content creation, how you can create a content according to your audience based, targeted audience based, and it is relevant to your business also. So to create and develop high quality content, relevant, it should be the relevant to your targeted audience. What your audience is looking for, you have to focus that on your mind that this audience, this targeted audience, this age group is looking for this information, or they are really into this. So I'll have to create a blog or articles or create reels, videos according to that only, right? That should be the relevant to the trending topics or trending targeted users, what they are looking for, right? Most of the youth, they are generally looking for a internship, right? So that internship and other details, so that should be also focus on the that topic. Then your content, it should be aligned with your business, your brand. Like if you are into Amazon or e-commerce products and you are adding the details about the courses, so that will not be aligned with your brand. If you have your brand, if you have your brand into e-commerce business, so you will always be focused on the e-commerce brand, or you can always create content videos related to your brand also, right? It will value your audience, it will give value to your audience, and it will address their needs. If I'm looking for the fashion business or fashion products, if I'm not getting that, so your user will not interact with your audience, interact with your videos, post articles or blogs or infographics, right? So content should be aligned with your business and your services, right? Then social media marketing. So I can utilize social media platforms to connect with my audience, share the content. Right. Yes. So to focusing on social media channels totally, you'll have to connect with your audience, that you have a proper followers list, and most of the followers you have increase through your content, right? If I have shared a content or a video related to my any upcoming sale or offers, so I get most of traffic or followers who will follow my brand or follow my business page of Instagram or Facebook, right? And it will also increase my brand awareness because I'm sharing the content which is very likely to the audience, what they are looking for, and they got the exactly that content, right? So they'll definitely follow you back, or they will try to get more information about your business, or they'll try to interact with your Instagram page or Facebook page or any other pages. So that will be very helpful for you to develop a proper brand on social media, right? Then we can, after we got a proper followers list of 100, 500, 600, 1000, then we can create a proper social media calendar on which day I'll post this content. Let's suppose I posted a sale offer content or offer video on Monday, and I'm posting another video related to my different products on Wednesday, or day by day, or like that. So you can create a proper social media calendar for a week or for a month to engage with your followers, what they are looking for and what they want to see on your page. Either you can use the advertising option you have if you want to run ad on Facebook or Instagram to get a followers, or to promote your brand awareness, to promote your products or the services, right? We can totally focus on the social media marketing, but we have to focus on each and every part of social media and SEO, so that the user and you get the most of the traffic from social media or through search engines, right? Then search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? To optimize your website and content for search engines to improve your organic visibility, right? So if I'm searching to get information about digital marketing services, if I really want to enroll in that, so I'll search the term or the keyword on Google. If I get a good website within 3 to 4 number, up to 5 number, so I'll choose from one of them, right? So how you can make your website visible on Google so that user will click on your website which is coming under the 1 to 5th number. But for that we will focus on the keyword research, what user are really looking for and what user are searching to get the information. It can be the digital marketing course near me, it can be the digital marketing course in Delhi, it can be the digital marketing course in Gurgaon, or any other different location. So I'll have to focus on the keyword research. How if I'm using digital marketing course keyword, so what is the search results, or how many people are searching for this keyword within a week or a month? But in keyword research, they shows the monthly views or monthly competition on that particular keyword. So we have to focus on the keyword research first whenever we do SEO, right? Then on page SEO, on page elements like your website or service pages are properly working or not. If there is any error, what is that error and how it can be solved? You will have to look that, right? On page basically to work on your website, to work what are the errors and what needs to be rectified, what needs to be modified in your on page. Then it will be all done on the on page SEO. And off page SEO, once I have done the correction on my on page SEO, then I can focus on the off page SEO, right? Off page SEO, like we can do blog submissions or other activities, guest posting, create business listing or profile creation on different platforms. Yes. So off page SEO is basically do activities outside your website, not in your website. On page SEO, it also include the internal linking and everything that we'll learn in detailed manner in another class, right? Then off page SEO basically to work on your outside your website. Then third is technical SEO to focus on your technical errors. If you have created your website through HTML or WordPress, so what is the technical errors? If you have used any of the images which is uh, have a high MB used images, or your images is not showing properly, so that will all come under the technical SEO. Technical SEO, there are other more topics or steps. What are those? We'll learn in that differently, right? So main goal is to enhance your website ranking on search engine result pages, which is SERP, right? This is the full form of search engine result pages, right? This is about the search engine optimization, how you can use search engine to optimize your website to see or to show information about your website on Google search results. Then, if we want to do the email marketing, we can also do it. If I have a proper business or I have a bulk data of my existing users or new users who is likely to receive information or who are active on email, I can implement a email marketing campaigns to nurture my leads and to communicate with my audience, targeted audience, that I am opening the showroom or I'm launching this new product. If anyone interested, they can directly go to this website and see the information or buy the products, right? So I can create a templates according to that and send it to my targeted audience. It totally based on user behavior. If they are really into this product, so you can send to them, right? Then we can at last we can focus on the advertisement. If I want to get instant result on my lead on my products and to sell my products, so I can use online advertisement platforms such as Google Ads, right? Google Ads, you will have to like focus on the different parameters. Like if user are not looking for that services, so you'll not be able to show your ad to that person. So there is advantages and disadvantages on that. Then we can also focus on the Facebook ads, because most of the crowd or youth, they are on Instagram or Facebook, right? So we can target those for our advertisement. There are other paid channels where we can focus on, right? Instead of Google ads or Facebook ads, we can also use the LinkedIn. If I'm searching the professional persons or professional people, I can focus on the LinkedIn. Or if I want to see the like Instagram audience, so I can also use that channel for promoting my products, right? So first we will have to set a clear object. Say what is my object, what will be my targeted specific groups or specific persons, specific age groups, which is all included in the demographics, right? Demographics include age, gender, right? Then I can monitor the performance of my campaigns or ad campaigns. I can see on my Google dashboard how is it working. I can also see it on a Facebook dashboard. Like how many clicks I got, or how many impressions I got, how many likes I got, and that, and how many people they have sent it you direct message on your Facebook, right? How many people they have directly messages on your Instagram ads, Instagram DMs. So you can check that, and how many calls you have got, you can also track that through this uh, campaigns dashboards or tools, right? Then after done with everything, done with SEO, paid advertisement and other part of work, other part of digital marketing plan, then you can analyze your metrics. There are tools like Google Analytics. It will show you the performance of your marketing efforts. Like either you have used or you have done the keyword research and implemented in your website, and how many traffic you got it from Google, right? It can be the direct traffic or referral traffic, and how many traffic marketing efforts we have done on social media or paid advertisement. I can also see it in Google Analytics. So I can check the metrics, all the metrics about organic, referral, and paid traffic on my website, right? Website traffic, conversion rate, click through rates, and social media engagement. So, whatever the activities I have done on social media or run ads on social media, I can all check it in Google Analytics. That is the free tool provided by Google. So, how we can track the performance, or how we can add it on our website to see the performance, we'll also do that, right? So after see the data, how many traffic I got, or how many pages user are going on that, or your top pages, that will be all you can see it on Google Search Console. But Google Analytics, it will show you the different data, right? After that, we can create a proper decision that how we should focus on. We should totally focus on the advertisement, paid advertisement, or we can also focus on the organic result or the keywords, or to refine your keyword, whatever you have used in your business or your website, right? So we can all do this. We can create a proper marketing plan, then we can focus on our business, right? Okay. So this is it for today. Actually, I take your time 5 minutes more. Okay. So is there any doubt?
No, clear.
Okay, clear, right? Okay, I think there is some kind of
Yeah,
issue.
clear.
Okay, done. No doubt. Okay, I suggest you to go through the recordings again. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can just contact me, or we'll do the revision on next class if anyone need it. Right? I don't want to do it very hurry. I just want to make you understand like what it is, what is digital marketing, and how it totally works. That will be my focus, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then have a good day. Uh, this is it for today. Welcome. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.